why I'm saying you, although they're saying all this negative thing about your Gen Z, your Gen X, your this, your that, but you're going to turn out okay. Believe me when I say you'll be okay, because it always turns out okay. All you have to do is to remember to be consistent. Good morning. So good morning, everybody. Thanks, Betty called me sunshine. Good morning. Let's do the morning blessings. And those of you that are here, let's get this going. The topic for today, the station of expectation. It's funny that I talked about that a little bit, about my TikTok followers, that they come and they take off. The station of expectation. The thing is, stop looking at the empty tracks and start looking at your ticket. Are you ready for the ride? Are you prepared for the train ride called life? Your arrival is guaranteed. That's what I just told you. Your only job is to stay on the platform. Your arrival to success, to what you desire, is a guarantee. So stop looking at the empty track and saying, it's not going to come. My word to you is that, yes, it will come. It always works out. If you have a dream, goal, and desire, and it is not working out yet, let me tell you something about that. Hold on. It will. Your arrival is guaranteed. Your only job is to stay on the platform. You have a ticket. You have a desire. The distance between your prayer and your reality is simple travel time. Think about it. If you cannot see it, that doesn't mean it's not on its way to you. It is on its way to you. What you cannot see that you desire, you have to believe it's coming. That is it. Just because the horizon is empty, that does not mean the engine is running. When you look at the horizon and you cannot see a boat out there, that doesn't mean the boat that came for your brother this morning is not coming for you this evening. You do not know that. That's a Chinese proverb. The boat that comes for my brother is also coming for me. And if you believe that, then you do not have a thing to worry about. Just stay focused on your dream, goal, and desire. Take action. Do not let an inspiration that seems simple fall apart. The Chinese proverb speaks the best. The boat that comes for my brother will also come for me. That is like something in your back pocket. That's power in speech. Because when you believe that the boat that comes for your brother will also come for you, you are believing that, yes, I can take the action to reach to where I desire to go. That's why it affects us that way. So because you're looking at the lake or the ocean and the horizon is empty, that doesn't mean there isn't a boat coming. The engine isn't running. That doesn't mean that either. It's coming. You know, faith is not the absence of doubt. It is the presence of preparation. You have a ticket. You're on the platform. The train is not showing up yet, but you know that train is coming. That's why you are there. And you have to just hold on. And sometimes you have to hold on like this. And sometimes something happens and the rope is slipping through your fingers and you're holding on so tight that you cut your hands. But hold on, you must. Because you believe that it will happen for you. So remember, faith is not the absence of doubt. It is the presence of preparation. I prepared. I got this. I know I have it. You see, we need to always have something to hold on to. So think of the last time you stood at the bus stop. You didn't see the bus around the corner, but you didn't go home and give up, did you? The bus was not around the corner. You were at the bus stop. You know a bus will come. You have your ticket in your hand and you believe that bus is going to come. And because you believe that, you're standing there. It's taking a while. You cannot see the bus around the corner. Does that mean you just say, I'm going home? But you're supposed to be at work. So you hold on. You check your watch and you stay put. You look, okay, I'll still make it to work on time. You know how many times I had to do that? How many times I could hear the bus coming, and the bus comes this street, I'm here, and I run to catch the bus because I needed to be there. I was a little late. Something distracted me, and I walked faster. So when you get a distraction or something is telling you stop, that's when you put the speed on. That's when you become more persistent, more consistent. When the person, the angel on your shoulder of your friend that's telling you give up, give up. My thing for you is that there's always going to be the give up artist. What are you doing that for? Give this up. You're just stressing yourself. That's when you have to dig deep and say, I can do it. Yes, I can. And you have to do that because no one else is going to do it for you. The schedule is divine timing. You don't need to see the headlights to know the route is active. You know the bus is coming. But timing is none of your business. You just have to be there, waiting and be ready. The 5 pillars is the same thing. They wait for you to tap into them, to embrace them. And then you learn. And as you learn, you improve. You might be doing an exercise and you speak about it. And you say, you know what? I found for seniors, this is the perfect exercise. I can do it in 13 minutes and I have this time. You share that. That is giving somebody else the opportunity to realize, yes, you can do it. So waiting is the thing that you must do. Because you ask for it. You're seeking an exercise program. You're seeking a recipe. You're seeking something to help you. And you wait. Because when you wait, you will get it. And that is the most important thing to do. You have to get in gear and be ready. Maintaining your peace while the train is in transit. That's important. You have a dream, goal, desire. You have done everything. You went to university. You graduate. You're not getting a job. And I hear you. I know that. You come and they want you to have experience. You on TikTok, they're saying you need experience, but you don't have it. You are the new immigrant of the 60s. And they said to you, you need Canadian experience. And you just came through the airport. How do you get it? Same problem, different error. It hasn't changed, but here we are. We made it. So you with your university degree and your college graduation and you're not getting a job, that doesn't mean you stop applying. You're prepared. You went to school, you learned. And now you are here. And it will take divine timing, just the right position for you to give you the right amount of experience so you can move on to the next step. So you cannot get a job in your field. One young lady said today on the news, I will have to specialize. That's the choice she's making. And that's something we need to understand. What you're looking for is also looking for you. It is just divine timing. The bus is coming and you know that. Hold on, sit still. Maintain your peace while you are in transit, while the train is coming. You see, visualize your arrival. There are things you can do. When you have a dream, goal, and desire, I desire to go on a vacation. I desire to have my own. See the home. See the vacation. The lady that comes here to give me my Thai massage, she was going to Spain and Portugal. And I could just tell that, she just enjoys going. And she was so excited. So I said to her, Florence, do you know what you can do when you get there? Pause. Breathe. Acknowledge you made it. Feel the energy that you are feeling now while you're telling me how excited you are to be there. And once you do this, you're going to Gibraltar. Go to Gibraltar, but when you get to Gibraltar, breathe. Listen to the vibration. Look at the flora and the fauna. Look at the birds. Look at the bees. Sit and acknowledge and be grateful. I made it. I am here. Let me pause in the idea that I succeeded to get there. Visualize the arrival. From now, prepare yourself. Pack in your bags so you are ready when it arrives. Are you ready though? Do you have it? If you saw the train coming right now if you saw what you desire showing up in your life right now, would you be packed and ready to board? Action is the proof of your belief. Are you ready? Are you visualizing yourself in your new position? Are you visualizing yourself with health? Are you visualizing yourself with the ability to bend and twist and stand up without holding on to a chair or asking a grandchild to grab you by the arm and bring you up? Are you ready, Gen X? Is your resume ready? Do you believe, Gen Zs, that you can make it? You have to believe that. You ladies in your 60s that plan to go somewhere, are you ready? Are you walking it? Are you drinking the water? Are you moving your body? Those of you in your 45s and 50s and thinking, oh, I have a long time to go to retirement. Yes, you do. But are you prepared? Do you have a retirement fund? Do you have somebody else controlling the money and you're just a passenger, yet you work? Who are you, Gen Z and Gen X? What do you want? Are you planning this well? Action is the proof of your belief that yes, you will get it. You see, your work is the action, and the blessing is the arrival, meeting, the train on the platform is being persistent. The train is coming. You know it's coming. So just be there and hold on. Keep going. Keep doing it day in and day out. Confidence is quiet strength. You don't have to speak when you're so confident that yes, it looks bleak now, but I know. When the clouds clear, the sun will shine through. You guys all know they had a space capsule going up yesterday. Do you know how many times they thought they could do it? Even to the last minute yesterday, they wanted that blue sky that they got in Florida. They wanted that blue sky. Without that blue sky, the capsule wouldn't have gone. The 4 people, the first black man in America to go to space, a Canadian guy that he saw black and white pictures of the landing in the moon in 69 and 68. I remember looking at it on black and white TV. A woman and another man. A Canadian got to go, a black man got to go, a woman got to go, and another guy got to go. They were waiting. They were anticipating. They knew that they had to have clear skies in Cape Vanagra, whatever the word is, for them to fly, for them to go. They tried before. They knew, but they had to have just the right position. Did they give up? Did that black man say, I'm not doing this, I cannot wait anymore? Did the Canadian man say, I'm going back home? Did that woman say, I better go have a baby now? Did the other guy say, well, I cannot do it? No, I'm not waiting anymore. No. They kept practicing. They kept fixing. Even